In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Microsoft Outlook. Exporting your mail is a great way to create a backup, move messages to a new computer, or archive older conversations. We'll use Outlook's built-in export tool to create a PST file, which is a standard Outlook data file you can import later if needed. Start in Outlook and head to the File tab in the upper left corner. This opens the Backstage view, where all the account and data management tools live. On the left side, select Open and Export. This is where Outlook keeps the tools for bringing data in and out of your mailbox. Next, click Import/Export to launch the wizard. In the dialog that appears, choose Export to a file, then click Next. This tells Outlook you want to create a downloadable copy of your mail rather than bring data into Outlook. On the next screen, select Outlook Data File, PST, and click Next. The PST format preserves your folder structure, message content, and attachments, so everything stays organized. Now choose the folder you want to export, such as your inbox. If you need more than the inbox, you can highlight a higher-level folder to capture more mail. Be sure to check Include subfolders, so Outlook also captures everything inside the folder you selected, like subfolders for projects or archives. If you see options about handling duplicates, the default setting is fine for most people. Click Next, then choose where you want to save the file. Pick a location you can find easily, like your Documents folder, and give the file a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Keep in mind that large mailboxes can create large files, so make sure you have enough space. When you're ready, click Finish. Outlook may offer to set a password on the PST. That step is optional. If you don't want one, you can leave those fields blank and continue. The export begins right away, and the time it takes will depend on how much mail you select.